لقاءاتنا مستمرة في اصنع في الامارات، الملتقى الاكبر والحدث الاكبر هنا اليوم الكل يتحدث عنه. يسعدني ان استضيف السيد عاصم حسين، سي او اند كو فاوندر لشركة الخليج العربي للصناعات الحديدية. Mr. Asim Hussein, CEO and founder for Arabian Gulf Steel Industries. Really appreciate being with us here in المشهد TV today.
Thank you for having me.
Let me start with you about the MIITE that's Make It in the Emirate. How do you see this event is very important for the industrial sector?
Make It in the Emirates is a real wonderful forum for all of the industry in the UAE. It's a forum that we're attached to for a long time. Mm-hmm. We are the largest private sector steelmaker in the UAE. We're also the world's first carbon neutral steel plant, officially accredited. We made that announcement here in 2024. Make It in the Emirates was a big moment for the industry in the UAE and in the region, under the auspice of His Excellency Dr. Sultan Al Jaber. Make It in the Emirates offers a wonderful platform for these type of events, these type of synergies, partnerships in industry, a great platform to grow your supply side and sales side network.
Arabian Gulf has a long partnership with the UAE now, as we've spoken before. It's not only today, it's not only 2026, not 2024, but has been going for years and years. How do you see your impact with your presence in the UAE makes a difference for you?
So this year, again, we're celebrating here our 10th anniversary with Make It in the Emirates. It's our 10th anniversary since we started melting steel in Abu Dhabi. The impact for us is we feel connected. We feel connected to the governing regulatory bodies here. Wonderfully short cycle of raising ideas, new challenges, talking to people who matter in government, talking to our peers in the sector, deciding what's good for us, what's good for the country, the industry, and working together. Again, we really value Make It in the Emirates as a great platform for all of us to come together and work together.
That's really good. So how does the company work in the vision of the UAE? It's a very important thing. It's not only today or tomorrow. It's the future, the partnership, the vision, and the cycle that keeps going on. Especially, you're not only working in steel, you're working in sustainable steel, which is energy efficient and with the global warming as well. It's everything that goes with the international standards. How do you serve this? Or how do you work with the vision of the UAE?
So as you know, the UAE is committed to a 2050 net zero strategy. We are at net zero today.
You're net zero today?
We're net zero today, 25 years before anybody else, alhamdulillah. We are the only net zero steel plant that we know of in the world, again, accredited by DNV, European agencies. We've received our environmental product declarations from CARES UK as the lowest carbon footprint on steel globally. So being based in a country which is committed to sustainability and leading steel making globally, it's a tremendous accolade for us, for the UAE also, and for our peers in the industry.
Yeah, definitely, it's not only the industrial sector that you are working with or getting cooperation or partnership, but it's worldwide.
It is.
We used to before to say, or everyone used to say before, the UAE is a good hub to go from, but now it's the base. It's where you start and where you go to the international fields or the international worldwide markets, as we say. How do you see this is very qualifying the AOE for the international markets?
So I've had the experience of running industries in other countries. What I think sets the UAE apart really is the ability to interact with government, federal authorities, design regulation that will stimulate, enhance industries, and then actually do it. So it's no coincidence that we managed to achieve net zero here. We had to work with the government, we had to change things, they passed new regulations, not just for us, for the benefit of everyone who wishes to recycle. We're the largest metal recycler in this country in conjunction with the new federal laws which encourage recycling. Once those laws are passed, all recyclers, whether it's metal, paper, plastics, everybody should recycle in the country, manufacture from this recycled waste, make new products for the UAE, within the UAE, from the waste of the UAE. The missing link really, as in this country, was a regulatory support and the government support to help industry grow in this way.
And do you see that now that you're not only doing the steel, you are recycling waste to get steel? This is a big thing that happening in the UAE. How do you see it should be implemented outside? internationally. How do you see that any other countries trying to do this, or at least achieving what's achieved here?
I think Europe is a great example. They have CBAM coming now, which is a carbon border adjustment mechanism. They will differentiate on the basis of your carbon footprint for all steel coming into Europe, and then other products. But in many ways, the UAE is ahead because we've implemented Emirates conformity certification already. The UAE announced this 2 years ago, and we passed federal laws to make this mandatory. So all new buildings will have like a blockchain, so you can trace exactly which building material built which building, and what's the carbon, what's the footprint, what's the cost to the environment. In this, really, I again applaud the government, the regulatory authorities here for the vision and the will to move fast. So Europe is just now, 2026 is their baseline year, implementing their own policy framework. I think we will have a lot of synergy between Europe and the UAE for our products to be exported, because we're ahead of many, many countries. We already have this framework. It'll be easier for us to plug into export markets such as Europe.
And that's a very big, or you can say huge thing. How do you see the future in the coming, if we say, not only the future, the near future, but then the future for the industrial sector in the UAE?
With the benefit of these regulations and the platform afforded to industry here, not just the steel industry, many industries, I see the UAE becoming really a manufacturing hub. The non-oil industrial base can be broadened for sure. We have very good infrastructure. We have excellent connectivity. I see the UAE in very short order becoming an export hub. And one of the things that will drive this will be our sustainability credentials. We have clean green power in this country, accessible to industry. We have fantastic CEPA trade agreements being launched. We launched with India, China, we are negotiating with Europe. These export markets will open up to us. So I see the UAE becoming an industrial export hub also.
I really appreciate your time.
Thank you
Hassan.
so much, Alain.
It was really nice. Mr. Asim Hussain, CEO and co-founder of Arabian Gulf Steel Industry. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having me, Alain. Thank you.